The Daily Code Snippet. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. It is a language that allows you to create rules that specify how an element should appear. So CSS applies the look and feel of your web page. This example shows the same HTML code as it appears in 3 different situations. In the first option, no CSS is applied and it is unstyled. The second option shows the exact same HTML code styled with a top navigation. In the third option, we have taken the HTML code and styled it to have a side navigation instead. In the next videos, we will learn about how CSS came to be. We will present the box model and how it applies to CSS, and we will discuss how CSS can be used internally in a web page or loaded externally as a .css style sheet. At the close of this week, we will review the correct way to write out a CSS rule. Presented by Designers Learn Code.